Petrol, oil, and lubricant products, commonly called POL, are used in vehicles and equipment of the Canadian Armed Forces. As a driver, you must know what types of fuels and lubricants are required for use in your vehicle. You must ensure that it is the correct type for each component and that it is used safely and responsibly. POL products are used to operate the vehicle engine and lubricate major components, maintaining maximum operational efficiency of the vehicle. There are two classes of POL products: those required to operate motor vehicles and those used to operate or maintain other equipment, such as cook stoves or personal heaters. In the vehicle fuel category, the most common POL product is gasoline, which burns freely in air and produces energy by heat. It is best suited for vehicle operation as it burns at a better rate than diesel and is easily vaporized even in cold weather. It is also relatively pure and reduces engine knock. In the Canadian Forces, gasoline is available in regular unleaded or premium unleaded grades. There is a warning label beside the filler neck of each SMP vehicle regarding the type of fuel to be used in that vehicle. All vehicles used by the Canadian Forces that use gasoline will burn either of these grades. They include all quarter-ton, 1 ton, 1 1/4 ton, panels, crew cabs, and staff cars. The only other type of fuel used in SMP vehicles is diesel. This fuel is a product of the petroleum refining process. Diesel fuel is heavier than gasoline, but its emissions are cleaner and it is more fuel efficient than gasoline. Some of the vehicles which burn diesel fuel are MLVWs, CUCVs, AVGPs, HLVWs, and the Bison. POL products include not only fuel for vehicles, but lubricating oils to reduce friction between moving engine or transmission parts. Engine oils are graded by their viscosity: low number, low viscosity, thinner oil. For cold weather operation, oil should be thin so that it will heat up rapidly to flow easily through the lubrication system. For extreme hot climates, it is just the opposite. A heavy oil should be used. 10W30 weight oil is the oil used in normal weather conditions in military vehicles and has medium viscosity. 15W40 is used for extreme cold conditions, a much heavier grade oil. Transmission fluids are refined petroleum products that have synthetic additives to prolong use and reduce friction in transmissions and transfer cases. Automatic transmissions use low viscosity Dextron 2. Manual transmissions and all differentials use a high viscosity 90 weight oil. Brake fluids are refined oil byproducts. These fluids are used in sealed brake systems to prevent evaporation when high temperatures are reached as a result of heavy braking. Some military vehicles, such as the 1 1/4 ton CUCV, use a synthetic-based silicone as brake fluid. If a petroleum-based fluid is used as a brake fluid, damage to the seals and gaskets may occur. Grease is a heavy petroleum product that is used primarily in drivetrains and on steering and suspension systems. Grease is force-fed into grease nipples by hand applicator or high-pressure air. These nipples are located throughout the undercarriage of the vehicle. Coolant is the liquid used as the basic ingredient of the vehicle engine cooling system and is comprised of ethylene glycol antifreeze and water. Penetrating oil has many uses and is sometimes referred to as oil general purpose. This is a light viscose oil that can be applied or sprayed on hinges and joints to reduce noise or squeaks. It can also be used to dissolve rust buildup on nuts and bolts, making it easier to loosen or tighten them. Other POL products have been developed in order to operate pieces of equipment that are essential to military operations. As a driver, you may be required to transport such POL. And as a soldier, there will be occasions that you will use it during training. Naphtha is a clear liquid petroleum product that produces a clean blue flame with high heat when burned under pressure. This product is primarily used in portable stoves and lanterns. Kerosene, on the other hand, is an amber-colored heavy fuel. When burned, kerosene produces high heat accompanied by soot and smoke. This fuel burns without being pressurized and is primarily used for personal heaters and units such as the Herman Nelson forced air heater. Another POL byproduct is Varsol. This is a clear petroleum that burns only at high temperatures. It may be mixed with engine oil as a cleaning and lubricating agent, or used full strength as a solvent to dissolve grease or other POL products. Storage of these POL products is very important due to the safety factor involved with flammable substances. In order to practice maximum safety, you must be able to identify the storage containers. To make it easier, the military has color-coded POL containers with colored rings. Red for gasoline, yellow for diesel, gray for kerosene, and orange for naphtha. Usually, the containers are plastic and hold up to 22 liters. They have a screw-on cap and are equipped with carrying handles for ease of transportation. For field refueling with gasoline and diesel, this olive drab plastic jerry can is commonly used. These plastic cans are filled from a refueling machine, which holds bulk fuel for gasoline and diesel. Other POLs come in either 205-liter drums, 20-liter pails, or 4-liter containers. All these are clearly identified. Naphtha comes in various sizes for the field. The green plastic can has a filler spout and an orange tag. Other products, such as transmission and engine oils, may come in the 1-liter plastic container, packed in a cardboard case of 12 per box. As a driver, you must be familiar with POL uses and their color coding. Always remember safety. If you see someone misusing a POL product, correct them and point out the hazards. It may be your life.